I wish I could show people the panic that I heard in that mother's voice when I spoke to her on Saturday.
Jwalo ka ha ho le boima ho thiba dikgapha tse keleketlang marameng. Badudi ba Peacehaven ba dumela hore lefu la Willie Munting le ka bedile la qojwa ba beha molato ho kgaolwa ha phepelo motlakase ho etsalang kgafekgafetsa.
This really hit very hard. I've known Letty and Willie for many years. And if you speak to, we can only empathize up to a point because we do not really know what they are feeling. But as mothers, we can understand why they are as angry as they are.
Balelapa ba sa sithabetse maikutlo mme ha ho bonolo ho bona ho buisana le mekgatlo ya ditaba.
Unfortunately, due to the continuous power outages that happen in Peacehaven, we found ourselves in a situation where we lose a life because of the incompetence of the municipality. One might ask, what does the municipality have to do with this? Firstly, the municipality has contractors who are paid thousands of money to repair electrical outages. However, in this particular week, the contractors came 5 times to repair one issue that continued to persist and be a problem.
Sebedisa lepato la Munting e rerile ho ba ka Mantaha.